Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Mariposa Hotel Inn. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking and a free Wi-Fi. Located in a structure built in 1901, this historic Mariposa hotel features uniquely decorated rooms with period furnishings and solid oak woodwork. A free continental breakfast is served daily. Free Wi-Fi is offered in each guest room at Mariposa Hotel Inn. Each air-conditioned room includes a flat-screen satellite TV, a seating area and a private bathroom with a hairdryer. Select rooms offer mountain views. At Mariposa Hotel Inn you will find a free airport transfer service, a garden and a terrace. Mariposa-Yosemite Airport is 4.8 miles away from Hotel Inn Mariposa. Yosemite National Park is 30 miles away. Surrounding info: Out Saloon, Café per Bar, The Alley, Café per Bar, and Pioneer Market, General Supplies, are less than 0.6 miles away. The Merced River is 15 miles away. Free guest parking is available. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.